Hi everyone, it is Sunday at 10 a.m. It's a beautiful, gorgeous day outside. Got up, went to the gym, did my sheets, did some meal prep for the week. What am I wearing today? So I am wearing these White House Black Market shorts, dug them out of the pile. Again, these are probably as soon as I lost the weight, like circa 2018. Very soft, very comfortable, and I didn't think these were gonna fit me. They're a size 00, but they seem to fit me fine. Very comfortable. I'm wearing them with this Ever Eve top that I got earlier this summer, and this is my second time wearing this top. And I'm wearing it with my black Dolce Vita flip-flops, keeping it very casual today. Okay, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Monday and unfortunately back to work for me, and it is a horrible, gloomy, rainy day out there, and from what I understand, this weather is going to continue for a while. So in light of that, I decided to be bright and sunny today in this outfit. So I'm wearing this little Amazon sweater. It's like a pointel here knit with like little, I don't know if this is considered pointel or maybe laser cutouts. That actually is probably the more appropriate term, because I don't think it's like the actual knitting itself. And I paired it with my driftwood jeans that I received from Wantable. This is a long time since I've actually worn these jeans, and I wanted to wear them a couple more times before the summer is over. I paired them with my Me Too shoes from Stitch Fix because they're super comfortable and it's just that kind of day. And this is what I'm wearing for this gloomy Monday. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, 7:30 in the morning here. I'm exhausted from the gym. 4 days in a row for me is just too much, and tomorrow will be my rest day. What am I wearing today? So, I don't like my outfit. I should say I don't like the pants. I think I'm gonna donate these pants after today. So, I am wearing this Stitch Fix sweater that I do like. It's a cardigan style with buttons down the front, white with little tan stripes here, like that. It matches perfectly with these pants, but these pants are cut from the cloth, also from a Stitch Fix, probably I'm thinking 2 years ago. They are a skinny style, and I think I'm just over that style. They're very tight around my calves. Like when I bend my knees, I can feel it in the back of my knees. So yeah, I think these are gonna go to the donate pile after today. And I am wearing my Chinese laundry slide-on mules with this. And other than working from home, I do have a doctor appointment, dermatologist midday, and that is what I'm wearing for my day. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is after 8. I slept in late. It was a rest day for me, and I'm getting a late start to my day. I didn't even put any jewelry on. I figured I'd film before I get too busy to film again. So what am I wearing for this day? I have on a little bit of an unusual outfit. Love it or hate it, I don't care. This is what I'm wearing today. So I am wearing this very old camisole type top with the spaghetti straps, and you can see my bra, but I plan on wearing my loft sweater over it. I know this is a little bit unusual combination, but I'm always cold all day long, so I will always put on like a jacket or sweater when I'm wearing something sleeveless like this. This top, I don't know if I got it from Stitch Fix or if I got it from like Poshmark or ThreadUp or something like that, but it was definitely shown on Stitch Fix, and that's where I saw it, and I sought it out. I don't know if I got it from, ended up getting it from Stitch Fix or if I purchased it like at a reseller. I don't know. I know florals are out, especially large florals, but I like them. So there's certain florals, if I really like, I'm going to keep them and I'm going to wear them. As you guys know, I keep my clothes that I love, and I keep them until I don't love them anymore. And I do love this top. It's kind of almost like even though it's a floral, it's like a muted type of watercolor floral, if that makes sense. With it, I have paired my new Dear John shorts, and I threw on my tan Dolce Vita sneakers for a very casual work from home look today. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Well, it's 5 o'clock and this is the first time I got a chance to be filming, and you're gonna say, well, if it's 5 o'clock, why do you have your ring light on with shadows, Carolyn? It's pouring rain and dark outside, that's why. And I live in an area where there's tons of trees, and my room just gets very dark. So what am I wearing today? So today I am wearing this little sleeveless, like halter style crochet sweater that I got from Stitch Fix Freestyle probably 2 years ago now. The name brand is Pink. I don't think this is outdated at all. To me, this is a classic style. It has scalloping here down at the bottom. It is like a halter style, and unfortunately, even with my Soma bra, racerback bra, you can still see the straps with this. But I'm indoors and always cold anyway, so my jacket, which is from Liverpool, that I got when I did a styling session with Nordstrom. I got $50 off this jacket because I did a personal styling session with Nordstrom. So I kept the jacket for $50 off, well worth it. And my jeans are a boyfriend style from Express from several years ago. They're a little bit more distressed than I prefer to wear now. I'm starting to get away from the distressing, but it is what it is. I'm not going to get rid of them yet. And I am wearing my crochet Dolce Vita sneakers for a very casual stay-at-home look today as I'm doing work. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is 6:25 p.m. on a Friday. This is the first time I got a chance to film today's outfit. I've been busy, went to the gym, showered, went to my nutritionist, did my food shopping, had to jump online, and then I went to a pedicure after work. So this is my outfit for today. I am wearing this blue top, that's a rat style top from White House Black Market. These white jeans cut from the cloth I got about 2 years ago now from Evereve or Trendsend box, and my white Steve Madden shoes. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Saturday and it is my day of rest from the gym. Yesterday's workout completely destroyed me. I've been going for 7 years and you would think I'd get used to these workouts by now, but no, they keep changing. And I can't even tell you how many squats we had to do yesterday, and my legs are destroyed, particularly my inner thighs. But yeah, everything hurts, actually. So what am I up to today? So I took it easy this morning, watched a lot of YouTube videos, prepped my peppers for the week, and I cleaned out my closet, like what else is new? So I went through the closet and I purged quite a few things that I just haven't worn and just aren't sparking joy anymore. A lot of my floral blouses, but certainly not all of them. I don't care if large florals are not in. If they're still sparking some joy in me, I'm gonna hang on to them. And we'll see over the course of the next year if I wear some of these things or not. And if they don't, then next year I'll get rid of them. So what am I wearing today? And I have to tell you, it is not an exciting outfit at all. And it's not the greatest because the only thing I'm planning on doing is to go to Loft and White House Black Market today. I plan primarily Loft to exchange that sweater vest to a petite size. I just kind of felt it was a little bit too long on me and bunching up a little bit, and I think a petite would fit me better. So this is a really sad looking outfit, and I'm even debating whether to keep these shorts. So I'm just wearing this t-shirt that I got from Walmart, and I'm wearing these like palm leaf printed shorts that are part linen from Loft. I think maybe I don't think they're 100% linen. I think they're a part linen. They'd look a lot better if I ironed them, but quite frankly, I didn't feel like ironing them. They are super comfortable, which is one of the reasons why I think I'm going to keep them. They have a semi-elastic waist in the back, a belt, and one of the reasons why I want to keep them is because of the maintenance of them and the fact that they're very hard to match. So I have this brownish, reddish tee from TJ Maxx and I'm pairing with it, but I tried to go through like everything I had and just seeing that went well with these shorts. Maybe while I'm Loft, I'll look to see if there's something cute to go with them that's inexpensive, but yeah, so this is my outfit for today, and I have a pair with my Steve Madden slides that I got from a trunk club a year ago, and I'm just going up there, and other than that, hanging around. And by the way, there's a deer running down my street along with a baby right now. All right, take care, and this is it for this week's of styling. See you next week for next week of styling. Give me a thumbs up, click that notification bell, and if you haven't subscribed, why not? I'm free. Take care until next time.